Hey guys, so I have two boxes of these Ferrero Rocher chocolate treats, but I'm down to my last six and I think I have indulged enough to tell you how delicious these chocolates are. Not only that, but in a minute I will also show you how I upscale these boxes and turn them into beautiful jewelry boxes and trays. But first, let's talk about these chocolates. Each chocolate piece is beautifully wrapped in a gold foil, nestled in their own little compartment on a matching gold tray. The entire box is made of clear acrylic with a beautiful design. Unwrapping the foil, you can instantly smell the delicious chocolate and you can see the hazelnut pieces infused into the chocolate. They really pack in those little hazelnut pieces so every bite has a crunch. And I'll just take a quick bite of this chocolate because I want to show you the delicious treat inside. We have a ball of soft milk chocolate inside that is so creamy once you bite into it. This chocolate treat pairs perfectly with a glass of white wine or champagne. But if serving to the little ones, it also goes perfectly with a glass of cold milk or hot cocoa. And now I'll show you what you can do with these trays once they're empty. Both the lower and upper lids can be beautifully reused and upscaled into gorgeous keepsake boxes and trays. First, I'm going to apply some packing tape onto the label. Make sure you turn the lid with the label upside down and apply the tape to the inside of the box, right on top of the label, and rub down the tape for about 15 seconds. The warmth of your fingers will help lift the label off onto the tape. Next, lift the tape off and you'll see the label will lift with the tape. Reapply a fresh section of the tape to the remaining label and continue to rub it down and lift until the entire label is removed. In total, it should only take about a minute or two to remove the entire label. And then the second label located on the bottom right of the lid is a sticker on the outside of the lid that you can easily remove with your fingers. And now you have a clean box with all the labels removed. You can paint the box if you want, or you can cover it with craft paper or other embellishments. Here's the first craft I have made from an empty Ferrero Rocher box. This is a rose box, and I simply glued the rose heads onto the box and then embellished the sides of the box with some rhinestone ribbon and gems. I also added some legs on the bottom to give the rose box a bit of height. Another craft I made is a couple of vanity trays. I decorated both the bottom piece of the container as well as the lid with some silver embellishments and then inserted a mirror piece inside one of them. These trays are one of a kind and can be used to hold your favorite jewelry pieces and trinkets. The mirrored tray can be used as a vanity tray to hold your favorite perfume bottles. You can also add legs to them like I have using some small Christmas ornament balls. The other tray made from the lid can be used to hold other items like candles and tchotchkes. The possibilities are endless, and you just need to use a bit of imagination and creativity to upscale the Ferrero Rocher boxes. And here is another tray I made by inserting a piece of beautiful craft paper inside. I then turned it into a two-tiered tray with a pair of glass candle holders and then placing the lid on top. And here's yet another box embellished with gems, and I have placed some of my favorite necklaces that I've made. And finally, another two-tiered tray. The bottom is embellished completely with mini mirror tiles. To separate the bottom tray from the top, I added 4 wooden dowels that I covered with glitter. So now you have several ideas of how you can reuse and upscale your empty Ferrero Rocher boxes once you have finished indulging in all the yummy chocolates.